Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video I will talk about connector tool. This is the icon of connector tool. I will show you this amazing tool. If you draw objects like this and if you want to draw a simple diagram, you can use this tool. Just click on this center and connect it with this center, and you can connect this center with this center, also this center with this center. As you can see, I create a diagram. I will do this again, this center, this center with, I'm sorry, you can delete this or delete this again. I can connect this center with this center like this. As you can see, I created a simple diagram. You can create complicated diagrams by this tool in Inkscape. That's it. There is 3 options for this tool, but the importance of this tool is to create a simple diagrams. You can control the spacing, the length, the curvature of this tool. That's it. Very simple. Thank you again for watching my videos.